Feels good to be back to perform for you guys. And before we start, I just want to say that this is, from the bottom of my heart, this is my favorite place to perform. Yeah, my name is Pong Vang, and today I'm accompanied by Emily Vue. We're going to be singing a high school musical song called Can I Have This Dance? My heart is wherever you are, till I catch you lightning. The chances of finding someone like you, it's one in a million. The chances of feeling the way we do, and with every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this dance? Can I have this dance? Till I catch you lightning, the chances of finding someone like